Tired of bulky luggage that doesn't meet your needs? MEGABACK is here to help. Our bag has only two features. It carries stuff and looks damn great. We wanted the capacity of a suitcase but the portability of a backpack, so we made it in all sizes at the same time. Start at 40 liters, compress to 60 liters, or expand to 80 liters when you need it. MEGABACK is not just a backpack, it's a step towards sustainability. Crafted from durable recycled nylon, it's built to stand the test of time. With weatherproofing and unmatched durability, it's ready for every adventure. At MEGABACK, we focus on creating gear that's both practical and environmentally responsible. MEGABACK is more than a backpack. It's a connection to the planet. We don't offer leather options because we hate killing animals. It's also pretty affordable. What more could you want? Buy now or cry later.